It's Sunday, it's our last day. Okay. It's Sunday, it's our last day. We're kind of taking it easy today. We have a couple of things we really want to do, but being chill about it. We had a long day yesterday. So we're walking from our hotel to downtown Disney. We got a brunch reservation. Maybe do a little shopping, but we will be going to California Adventure. We did want to note, weather is so nice right now. It is 10 a.m. This is going to be the hottest day we're here, but it's really nice right now. We're excited to have a much chiller day today. So come join us today. This is where we're going for brunch.
Change your mind. She didn't want to do Baymax.
Alright, we're sitting outside. I'm actually excited to try this restaurant. The chef here at this restaurant, Tiendito and Cintrico, was on Top Chef. I really enjoyed watching his season on Top Chef, so it's super cool. Sorry. This is their espresso martini. Ooh, oof.
It's got a little kick to it.
Ooh, we got the guacamole with crispy pork belly on it.
Can I use your phone to take a photo of the...
Ooh, I got the chicken mole with egg and avocado. We got, it was carne asada tacos and al pastor tacos. Alright, we're at California Adventure again. It's a toasty today. It's a hot. Like I said, we're chilling today. Right now I feel like it's trying to find things to do inside. That's how toasty it is. We're chilling. These beers are cool. They get filled in upside down. We just met Iron Man. Now we're gonna see Phineas and Ferb.
Very talented artist here, and she's here to help you. So if you have a question, right? Maybe your pencil. Give yourself a round of applause. Alright, folks, take these drawings off the board and help with you. We love having you. I hope to see you again.
Back at Carthay. We had so much fun the other day. Back at Carthay. I got a different drink this time. It's called the Derby, which is referencing Brown Derby grapefruit, which I'm kind of nervous about, I'm not gonna lie. But it had bourbon and honey in it. So we'll see. We had to come back. Okay, it's actually not too bad. It's not that tart. I'm actually really happy about it. I chose it because it had bourbon in it and sounded lighter than the old fashioned and the Manhattan. I'm actually really happy with that. I'm surprised. Carthay Circle, literally the best part of this park. I love it so much. It's definitely Hollywood Brown Derby vibes. Love it. We're gonna go hopefully draw Baby Groot. I really miss having that in Florida. I don't know if they still have it at Animal Kingdom. We're gonna get a snack, and then I'm not sure. I don't know if it's consistently available like it is here. Guess what? We're back. We're trying Baby Groot now. We drew Baby Groot, super cute, in a picture somewhere. I think we're gonna go meet a character with a Disney Visa character meet and greet, so do that. Well, I'll show you a Baby Groot. Baby Groot! This is one of my friends, Baby Groot, super cute. It was super fun. But yeah, we're gonna go do a Disney Visa character meet and greet. It's supposed to be a Marvel character. Don't know what Marvel character it's gonna be, but we'll find out. So I'm very excited to do that. I've never done this before, so I'm excited. All right, ooh, tiramisu churro. We got this at this little cart over here, right by Monsters.
But he was... Oh, good.
Oh no, you can keep talking.
I only met him at Universal, but he wasn't as cool as that.
That was cool. So we did the Disney Visa, and it was Captain America. Awesome. That was fun. I've never met him before. Yeah, that was well.
He was kind of talking about it.
It was nice.
I was like, stop.
It was nice because they gave us time to just like talk to him, so that was just like really nice. So if you have a Disney Visa, those are fun things to do. But yeah, I'm not sure what we're doing just now. We'll see. So we stopped at the Hearthstone Lounge and got some drinks. I got a Manhattan. We saw our favorite waitress again in line, so you know that means it's good. We're gonna chill for a little bit. All right, we got a Lamplight Lounge reservation. We went there 2 days ago. We're coming back. Super excited, but this is for dinner. We're really excited.
Like 2 hours before we need to be over there.
Back at Lamplight Lounge, but for dinner this time. There's Hannah. Hey, Celine. They decided they want to be on camera now, so they're going to be on camera now. I'm excited about this menu. I was actually more excited about this menu rather than the brunch, but I had friends say the brunch was better, so we'll see, but amazing views. I love this so much. All right, I got the Sunrise Spectacular this time. She made it say this was like their version of an old fashioned, which I'm interested in. When I read that on the menu, it doesn't make me think of an old fashioned. We got a Hugo Spritz. That's what she's been drinking all day. And then this one I'm very excited about too. It's
Java Martini.
the Java Martini. It's got tequila, coffee, vanilla liqueur, and hazelnut cream foam. We got the potato skins, paprika aioli, ranch, cheddar cheese, bacon, cheese sauce, and chives. All right, we just finished at Lamplight. It was so good. We got the potato skins. Oh my God, those were so amazing. Those were so good. One of the highlights of the trip. We were able to get drinks to go, which is awesome. So we got a drink to go. I think we're gonna end the night in Carthay, hopefully. So we'll see.
Over here now.
Yes.
Is that the only bathroom?
I think there was a bathroom over here. I think it's over there. Alright, we got a quick service from Flo's V8 Cafe. I got a kid's meal. This is a kid's meal. It came with carrots also, and then this little water. We are at Radiator Springs. We're hoping to get here for when the lights change, and it'll be really pretty. Random note, they don't have mayonnaise here, which makes me kind of sad. They only have ranch and ketchup. One of my friends here, Savannah, loves Carthay, so we are probably going to end the rest of the night here, get all the vibes, get all the pictures. That's why we're here. Oh, it's clean too. That's nice.
I know, and then on the other side.
Oh, that's cute.
I know.
So Mater's over there. I assume he's gonna drive over here, but they just left me for Mater. You see him?
That was pretty cool right there.
Did you meet Mater?
Yeah, he sang happy birthday to her.
Oh my God, did he really?
Yeah.
Was it just Mater?
Yeah, it was just later.
Oh, maybe Lightning McQueen will be out soon.
Well, that's what we're hoping. I can only hope, right?
It's dark outside now, so you can see all the neon lights in Radiator Springs. Definitely a big plus to this area. We're gonna, I think, ride Radiator Springs again. It says a 20-minute wait, so we'll see. Oh my god, Savannah's dying. It's Lightning McQueen. Hey!
Wow! Now this is my kind of crowd. I am speed. I am lightning. Ka-chow.
Well, she was gonna ride the ride again, but I think we've been distracted. All right, we're riding Radiator Springs again, single rider. And then I think we're gonna pick up a couple last merchandise things, and then we're gonna call it a night. And sadly, that'll be the end of our trip to Disneyland. We go back home tomorrow. But it's been such a great weekend. I hope you've watched all my videos of this weekend. It's been so much fun. I cannot wait to come back. I want to bring Cornell here, my husband, the corn to the man, if you understand my Matt Corn Travels title, YouTube channel. But yeah, so we've had a great weekend. Hope you enjoyed these videos. More to come. I got another trip coming up next month. Not to Disneyland, not to Disney World. But yeah!
I'm gonna need some help.
Relax and play that.
That's Stevie's favorite.
We're finishing up for the night. World of Color just ended. And we're gonna head back to the hotel. We got a flight to catch in the morning. I'm about to video them on a credit coaster in a second. But thanks for watching this video. I hope you watch our next one. I got a Disney World trip coming up. I hope you enjoyed this Disneyland videos. I've had such an amazing time. I might do a recap video, we'll see. Just to kind of talk a little bit more about it, but I've had such a magical, happy time this weekend.